share with you how Provably works. Provably allows a user to trust answers that an LLM gives them. I have some private data here. I have some basketball data, I have some Apple stock data, and it's basically just an AI friendly data catalog of some private data. Any developer can connect Provably to their private data set. It can be DeFi data, healthcare data, whatever. Once they've done that, when a user asks any questions on that private data, the user can verify those answers rapidly, far easier than any other current technique for fact checking, if you like. So I'm going to ask this very simple question: how many basketball coaches are there? And I'm going to start with proving off, which is how a user would currently experience questions on private data. There are 433 basketball coaches. The answer comes from the basketball coaches data collection. Now, normally, if I want to check whether this is correct or not, I'd have to, go into this data source and actually understand more about it, and maybe even understand the code that was written to get the answer, etc. That's a lot of work. What I'm going to do here is ask it to produce a ZK proof. And with the ZK proof, it's turned green now, that there is a proof that was just created. I can download it, I can share it. Of course, I could even check it online if we did that as a later step. And I can understand that this SQL query was run to get that answer, and there's a proof to back that up. So basically, we have done verifiable analytics or verifiable SQL to prove that that answer is correct. And now this type of approach, where when AI talks to a private database and gives back a ZK proof, it allows a user to rapidly understand, without having to do any work, what was done and how that answer was computed. So here it's select count ID from coaches, where the country name is USA, and the answer is 170. And this zero knowledge proof is a cryptographic guarantee that that answer is correct. What our goal at Provably is to support more and more sophisticated questions, which is basically do proving on more sophisticated SQL queries, and then also to be able to support other query languages as well outside of SQL, and on different types of tabular structures, whether it's decentralized blockchains, centralized databases, anything of that sort. And over time, every AI answer will come back truthful, that is backed by verifiable cryptographic proofs, and the user can trust it straight away. In this case, we actually have a bug, which we're going to fix soon. But what you have here is there's a SQL query that says, hey, did a select average on 3-point at that column from the team statistics to give me the average 3-point score in a game. The average team scores 34.5% of their points as 3-pointers. And it's given me an explanation of how it got that answer as well, which is basically explaining the SQL query that it ran. And our goal is to run, just to be able to support more and more types of SQL queries. At the moment, we're doing sum, count, standard deviation, variance, mean, min, and max. It's a very small, limited subset, which shows the concept that AI is able to give you truthful answers, and you as an end user can, in any interface you want, can totally trust what it's done. And this is great for trusting AI to do complicated calculations, whether it's like doing decentralized energy pricing, or doing your tax calculations, or healthcare related questions. We can absolutely know or use this tool to understand how it got the answer and verify it straight away without knowing any of the details in what is behind the AI, or having access to the actual data set, which in private data can be complicated. I hope that gives you an idea of how Provably works. And thanks for watching.